Enhance your work power activity by 7th standard boys. A warm and healthy morning to all. I am K. Karthika, 7th standard. Here, Jagadish, Yashwant, Jevan are performing ESCOM learners enhance your work power activity. In this activity, we will tell 4 forms of verb with examples. So here we go. Let's do it. Today's verb is sing. I repeat, sing. Example for the sing is I don't sing a song. I repeat, I don't sing a song. Second form of the sing is sang. Example, I repeat, sang. Example for sang is the sang a song.
From the verb be sung. I repeat, sung. Example for the sung is she has sung. She has sung. Yes, sang is just now.
Fourth form of the verb is singing. I repeat, singing. Example for the singing is we are singing songs. Today's verbs are sing, sang, sung, singing. I repeat, sing, sang, sung, singing. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Have a nice day. Prayana activity by 7th standard girls. Good morning to one and all. Let me introduce myself. I am Sumanasri of 7th standard. Today we are here to perform Prayana activity. Joining with me Miss Mamata for presenting hints about the famous person. Joining with me Miss Sahasra for presenting tell the name of famous person. Thank you all to Miss Mamata for presenting hints about the famous person.
Thank you, Miss Sumanasri, for introducing. Now I am here to tell about hints about the famous person. Hint 1. She was the widowed daughter-in-law of Malhar Rao in 1728 to 64. Hint 2. On the latest date, she became a great success at Indore. Hint 3. She was the success her till and death in 1795. Thank you over to Miss Sahasra for presenting till the name of famous person.
Thank you all to Miss Mamata for presenting hints about the famous person. Now I am here to tell the name of famous person. Can you guess who am I, please? Who knows the answer? Please come over to the stage and tell the answer.
Anyone knows the answer?
My name is Sharita. I am studying 7th standard. The answer is Rani Ahalya Bai.
Yes, your answer is absolutely right. Thank you for giving this great opportunity. Have a nice day.
Today some of our friends celebrating their birthdays. I request birthday buddies please come up onto the stage.
Any birthday buddies today? Nobody.
Today teacher's note by Dada sir.
शुभोदय बच्चों। आप सब कैसे हो? मैं भी ठीक हूँ। आज कबीर दास का एक दोहा जो मनुष्य के बारे में, मानव जीवन के बारे में बताया गया है। दोहा यह है, दुर्लभ मानुष जन्म है, देह न बारंबार, तरवर जो पत्ता झड़े, बहुरी न लागे डार, बहुरी न लागे डार। दुर्लभ मानुष जन्म है, देह न बारंबार, तरवर जोम पत्ता झरे, बहुरी न लागे डाल। यह अर्थ है। सुलभ का अर्थ क्या है? इजी। दुर्लभ का अर्थ है बहुत कठिनाई से हमको यह मानव जन्म मिलता है। दुर्लभ मानुष जन्म है, देह न बारंबार का अर्थ है बहुत कठिनाई के साथ एक ही बार यह मानव जन्म मिलता है। इसलिए इस मानव जन्म को सार्थकता करना चाहिए। इस प्रकार दूसरों की सेवा करना, अच्छा नाम कमाना और भविष्य में अपने लक्ष्य तक पहुंचना, उन्नत शिखर तक जाना, ये सभी मानव जन्म है ही सफल होता है ना। मानव जन्म है हम लक्ष्य को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं, है या नहीं? इतना महत्वपूर्ण है मानव जन्म, बार बार नहीं मिलता है, हमको अब मिला है, इसलिए हम अपने जीवन को सार्थकता देनी चाहिए। इसका उदाहरण ऐसा दिया है, तरवर जोम पत्ता झड़े, बहुरी न लागे डर। तरवर का अर्थ है पेड़, तरवर जोम पत्ता का अर्थ है लीफ। जो पेड़ से एक बार पत्ता नीचे गिर जाता है, बहुरी न लागे डार, फिर वो पत्ता फिर पेड़ से लग सकता है। एक बार पेड़ से पत्ता नीचे गिर जाता है, फिर पेड़ तक लग सकता है పత్తా। చెట్టుకున్నటువంటి ఆకు ఒకసారి రాలిపోయింది, తిరిగి ఎత్తుకుంటుందా? సేమ్ అలాగే మానవ జన్మ కూడా మరీ రాదు, వచ్చింది కాబట్టి మనం దీనికి సార్థకత ఇవ్వాలి। అది మంచి పనుల ద్వారా మనం అనుకున్నటువంటి లక్ష్యాన్ని చేరడం ద్వారా, మనం అనుకున్నది కేవలం మానవ జన్మలో మాత్రమే సాధించగలం కాబట్టి ఇలాంటి జన్మకు మనం సార్థకత ఇవ్వాలి। ఇప్పటికైనా ఒక గోల్ ఏర్పాటు చేసుకొని దాని వైపు వెళ్తారని ఆశిస్తున్నాను। థ్యాంక్ యూ।
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. Good morning, everyone. How are you? You are fine and energetic. Me also. So, did you enjoy your holidays? Today's holidays? I enjoyed a lot. So, what about today's ST? Telugu. Are you all ready? Yes, sir. Okay. So, you are so energetic to write exam. So, may I call you? Yes, sir. Onto the stage? Yes, sir. Anyone? Yes, sir. Ready? Yes, sir. No response from that side. Yes, sir. So, very good. So, now, 6th standard A section, roll number 52 and 53 come up onto the stage. 52 and 53, two students. 6th standard, I said fifth, right? 6th standard, sorry. So one question is there in Telugu and grammar also, right? So first, who will ask question? You can ask question, he will give answer. Okay? So from today's ST only. Ask the question, he will give answer for the question. Ma, I told you. Then only it will be useful. Or else you will forget after 1 week, you will forget that one.
Question and grammar.
Question, tell the question and answer, or else grammar point.
కింద గీతి పదానికి అర్థాలు రాసి వాక్యాలు రాయండి. మగవానితో సమానంగా వెలదిని గౌరవించాలి. వెలది స్త్రీని గౌరవించడం మన సాంప్రదాయం. ఆగం చేయకూడదు, ఆగం పాపం. ఎదుటి వారిని దూషించటం పాపం. రణం చేయడం వలన యుద్ధం వలన ప్రాణ దాన నష్టం జరుగుతుంది.
Next, from 7th B, roll number 5. Who is roll number 5 in 7th B section? Come up onto the stage, ma'am. What is your name? Vishnu Teja. What did you learn for today's ST? You can explain to your friends.
కవయిత్రి పరిచయం. కవయిత్రి చావలి బంగారమ్మ. జన్మస్థలం తూర్పుగోదావరి జిల్లా మేడేకూరు గ్రామం. రచనలు 1930లో ముద్దు కృష్ణ వైతాళికుల ద్వారా వీరి కవితలు వెలుగులోకి వచ్చాయి. ఇతర విషయాలు: బంగారమ్మ కవితలు తెలుగు కవిత్వంలో కొత్త ఒరవడిని, సరికొత్త భావ వ్యక్తీకరణను తీసుకొచ్చాయి. 1958లో 42 కవితలతో కాంచన విపంచి పేరుతో సంకలనం చేశారు.
Very good, very good. Very good. So like that every student should learn whatever the ST it may be. Already I told you many times, when you learn ST on that day, it will be useful for your upcoming exams, whatever it may be, FA3 or SA2, whatever it may be. Very, very easy. Exam is like a pleasure, not pressure. Okay, you have to keep it in your mind. Whenever exam comes, you have to be anxious. Whenever any event or festival is upcoming, how do you feel? You feel very happy, right? So 1 week before, already you are celebrating New Year in your mind, right? So like that, whenever exams comes, you have to be ready for that, and you have to be anxious when I have to write exam, when I have to show my knowledge on paper. Like that, your mind should motivate you. So it is possible only if you learn the particular topics every day. So that's why this ST, daily ST. So that's why our management is going to conduct daily ST for all the subjects. So you must utilize that one. So feel exams like a pleasure, not like pressure. Okay? Sure? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.